Do you have unlimited Wi-Fi at home or a mobile data plan on your phone that isn't being fully consumed each month? Today I'm going to introduce an app that makes use of your unused bandwidth and pays you for you to share your internet connection with businesses that will verify ads, test apps, compare prices, and so on, all without slowing down your internet connection at all, nor accessing or sharing your personal data, because it only uses your connection to access information that is already available online. You probably wonder why the service is willing to pay you. Unlike a traditional VPN which connects you to a different country if some contents are blocked in yours, this app will pay you for you to share a residential connection which websites and streaming services will have a hard time detecting, making the connection much more reliable. For instance, a company might want to test an application that is under development or compare prices using your connection, because depending on the location you look for the price from, it may vary and be lower. In the event of that company using your connection to get the best price or to test an application, they pay you for the bandwidth used in the process. I have videos about similar services that will also pay you for you to share your unused bandwidth. Make sure to check them as you can use them all together to earn the most. You can install the app on as many devices as you have, across as many networks as you have access to, and up to one device per same IP address or network. PacketStream claims that you can install the app on more than one device per same network, but also claims that you might not see a linear growth in earnings and that the optimal setup is one device per one IP address or network. I've heard that a few users indeed do that and have their earnings increased, but that's only recommended to apply if you are getting high internet speeds. Once everything is set up, the earning is done in the background without you having to do anything at all besides checking the balance and receiving the money. Each 10 gigabytes of bandwidth shared will make you $1. The more devices and networks you install the app on, the more and faster you'll earn. However, your earnings will vary from day to day. That's an important aspect of using the app. You should not expect it to make you rich, but to allow you to make extra pocket money to spend on goodies without putting much effort. Also, the earnings will differ depending on your region and the supply and demand. The supply and demand differ literally every single day, which means that if today you do not earn much, tomorrow you can possibly earn twice or three times more. That's why you should not judge it too quick. Moreover, considering you do not have to do anything besides using your devices as usual, you can just let it run and then gather the money every now and then. What makes this a very appealing and relevant opportunity for everybody is the fact that you don't have to do anything in order to earn money. While you may not be able to earn a lot, you don't need to do much in order to earn and can avoid spending much time while still getting pocket money just because you have an internet connection. This makes the whole idea worth it for everybody, even if you don't earn a lot, because you can be rest assured knowing that you will eventually reach the minimum threshold as it's not that high and receive money for basically doing nothing. Use the link down below to create an account that you will earn the money towards and start earning effortlessly while you continue doing your usual daily tasks. You can receive the payout using PayPal once you reach just $5. If you like the idea of earning effortlessly while continuing with your life as usual, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more ways to earn money, and also watch my other videos about the same earning method to increase your earnings.